With so many new products hitting the market this holiday season, there is tons of demand for review videos and gift guides on YouTube. As a consumer, I find great value in these videos as they allow me to make a more informed decision about my purchases. As a creator, I find that making videos about products is a fantastic way to provide value to my audience, answer your questions about things, and also generate affiliate income from the companies selling the things. Now, I know that many of you have not yet started making these sorts of videos. It's a little intimidating after you watch the big YouTube channels with their perfectly lit studios, expert product shots, and fancy editing. But as perfect as these product videos are, they can get a bit boring and they all kind of look the same, don't you think? So today I'm excited to show you a fun new way to create a product video that doesn't even require editing software. You heard that. This format gives you the freedom to combine a talking headshot with a product shot without cutting back and forth between the two. And it also makes it super easy to incorporate details with text and graphics. This no editing process is super simple, and I know it'll open up so many options for those of you just starting out making videos. Hello my friends, I'm Alicia, and I help you level up your video production and blogging skills. And this is one cool new way to do video production. This video is sponsored by Canva. You may know Canva is the go-to online platform for easy and beautiful graphic design solutions. When I was in high school, I had to learn Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator in order to even attempt to design anything, and I could only do that because I was in a special graphic design class. Nowadays, anyone can jump online into Canva and create beautiful, hip designs pre-formatted using a variety of templates, stickers, and even animated effects. And to make things even more exciting, Canva recently rolled out a new video feature, which means you can incorporate your own videos or their stock videos into your designs to create moving stories for social media posts, event invitations, presentations, posters, and more. With this new feature, you don't have to be a professional editor or media designer to make moving video integrated designs that look professional. But when Canva asked me to share this new video feature with you, I thought that rather than using the video feature to create movement within designs, I wondered, can we use Canva entirely to create a video from scratch and leverage Canva's design tools to add great design to that video without traditional editing? What? Let me show you exactly what I mean. My first gift suggestion for bloggers is a high-quality wireless mic. It makes it so much easier to get great audio for your vlogs, and all you have to carry around is this tiny transmitter and receiver. I also love this one because it records fantastic sounding audio every single time. Pretty cool, right? Canva makes incorporating videos into any designs such a smooth experience that I know any of you can do it with nothing more than an iPhone, the internet, and some soft sunshine for lighting. And rather than just a social media post, this will give you content that you can actually share on YouTube. The thing I love about this format for review videos or gift guides is that having all of these elements simultaneously moving and delivering information keeps the viewer highly engaged, which is extremely important for watch time. I also love how it allows you to incorporate all of these different elements without having video editing skills or even graphic design skills. If you were to put together something like this in traditional editing software like Final Cut Pro or Premiere, it would be complicated and you would probably need to use Photoshop on top of it all. And as opposed to using traditional editing software, using Canva is free. And when you create an account using my link below, you get 45 days of the Pro membership extended for free. This is key because it allows you to use their 75 million stock photos, videos, graphics, and other elements, as well as their stock music, their magic resize feature, the ability to upload your own logos, and more. And by the way, stay tuned to the end of this video to learn how you can win a full free year of the Canva Pro membership. So to get started on this video, first you've got to decide what type of video are you making, and there really are a lot of options here. My example was kind of a holiday gift guide, which is appropriate for the season, but a similar video could be any of these titles in any niche imaginable. The idea is that the video is chunked or segmented into a list. In the case of a product review, you could segment the video by covering each aspect of the product. So in my camera reviews, I might cover body size, shooting abilities, battery life, and so on. So you make your list, and then I highly suggest you write a script for each point. Even if you're not delivering it verbatim, the act of writing it and reading over it before you talk to the camera is going to help you stay confident in your delivery and in check with the information you're sharing. So for maximum simplicity, I'd write a title for each point, in this case each gift suggestion, and then just 4 or 5 sentences about each item. Now, before you start filming, you'll want to have an idea of how this portion of the video will be framed. Let's just say that you want to use the full creative potential of this layout with Canva and have your talking head fit a 4:5 aspect ratio. Of course, you can easily film this vertically with your phone, or if you're using a camera, you can crop in on a standard horizontal shot. You just want to be sure you're not too close to the camera in a shot you plan to crop, or it might end up a bit too tight and too bright because I'm too close to my lights now. Filming vertically on a camera is always an option too, and if your camera doesn't support vertical video and automatically turn the image for you, like some new cameras do, then you can easily rotate it in Canva. And then you'll just film each of your points in separate video clips. That part is important because you're not editing. If you need to film multiple takes of each point in the same clip, that's totally fine. Just remember to stop recording after you nail each one. And here's a hint, the very last take is going to be the best one. Now, you can use Canva to trim down and isolate that best point, but it's probably better to do it beforehand to avoid uploading long video files that you don't really intend to use. So with videos on your iPhone, you'll just use that little edit function, slide it over to the portion you like, and hit save. On a computer, you can bring the clip straight from your SD card into QuickTime and then go to File, Trim, and save the shortened clip to your desktop. QuickTime is free software included on a Mac, and I'm sure there's something comparable for PCs as well. I'm just not exactly sure what it is. So in the end, you'll have a series of short clips, one for each main point, saved hopefully to a folder within a folder on your computer. And I'm not sure if you can do this whole process on your phone because I'm going to focus on the desktop version of Canva, but if somebody would like to try it and give me some feedback about how it worked out, then I would love to hear that. And now for the B-roll or product shots, or just the secondary shot if there is no product. This varies greatly depending on what you're demonstrating, and you can get really creative with it. The clip should be about the same length as your talking head shot, but it's okay if it's not because Canva does let you trim it. So if you're doing a camera review, you'd probably want to show the particular function of the camera as you're talking about it. And if you're talking about makeup, you could be putting the makeup on in the secondary shot. And if you're talking about food, you could film a time lapse of that food item being put together. The idea is simply that the secondary shot illustrates and complements whatever it is you're talking about. Some visual eye candy, but useful visual eye candy. And now that we have all of our A-roll and B-roll clips ready to go, let's jump into Canva and put it all together. Now this is important. To get into Canva, use the link I have in the video description below. I've arranged this link to let you get special access to a free extended 45-day trial of Canva Pro, which gives you many more options and resources than the regular membership. You're going to have a lot more fun with this one.
So once you're settled in Canva, you'll see lots of different templates and places to start. And today we will choose video. I wouldn't put too much thought into finding the perfect template because all of these elements can easily be changed from the video layout to the text to the colors. But it doesn't hurt to find something that just kind of looks cool to begin with, so we will start with this one here, Life with Amanda. Now the way this page becomes a video is by adding one set of video clips to it and then creating more pages for each set beyond that, one for each numbered item on your list. You can also duplicate the first slide using it as a template and switch out elements as necessary, and this is nice because it keeps the general format and makes for the most cohesive video. Now, I'm going to get rid of most of this because I really want to show you how to place the video and design the rest from scratch. It's with Canva's help, but it's in a more freestyle kind of way. So I will go ahead and change these titles. This text is very easy to manipulate with the settings up here, and if you need some further design inspo, you could always start here with the text templates instead. So now that we have some base titles and some space for the videos, I will first show you how you can go to the Videos tab to incorporate stock video. This is super convenient if you mention something random in your video and you don't have a clip of it, then your Canva Pro account likely has that clip for you. But to move forward with what we intended to do, you will go to Uploads and you can upload from the device you're using or from cloud storage or social media accounts. And remember, your personal video uploads will live forever in Canva under the Video tab under Uploads, not under the videos here. So once uploaded, select the videos and they will just pop themselves right in. You can resize them or crop them by dragging these bars in. So you can crop them and then resize them for the perfect fit. So you'll do this with your A-roll and then again with your B-roll. And it's kind of up to you how you want to prioritize the sizing of the talking head versus the B-roll. We'll just do a rough layout for now. One important thing is that you want your A-roll to include the audio, of course, but the B-roll should be muted. So select the B-roll clip and you can kill the audio right up here. It's also important to trim the B-roll clip to match the length of the A-roll, otherwise it'll get very loopy and weird as it goes from page to page. You can see the length of each clip by looking right here, and you can trim the beginning or the end simply by adjusting these sliders. You may even want to fine-tune the start and stop of your A-roll, especially if you didn't do it beforehand, before you trim your B-roll to match it. So this is at 11.5 seconds. We're going to take this and simply trim it to match it exactly. Now clicking on both, we can see that they're the same. And then here, you'll probably want to do some additional fine-tuning on the design and add appropriate details. Canva also offers a ton of fun elements in this tab, and this is where I will grab a number for the page. I highly suggest using numbers. Canva also has all of these little stickers to spruce up your design, and you can pretty much just search for whatever you want. So I will search for cameras and get lots of super cute options. I also love the little gold flecks for this holiday video, so I will add some of those. They seriously have so much stuff, and again, it's important to have that pro account because it unlocks many more options than what you get in the free version. Now, as you play around, you may end up with multiple elements overlapping and kind of hiding each other. When you need to adjust that, just select the element, control-click, and say bring forward or similarly send to back. You might have to kind of play around with it to see what works. So now that our design is in place, at least for the first page, we would repeat the process for each point in our list style video. And to keep things organized, you'll want to number your clips before you import them, and then you can check the file name of each clip by clicking here. Now, another fun thing to incorporate is animation. So much easier in Canva than other software. If you click into this white space, you'll see here it says animate. You simply click on one of these to see how the elements fall into place. Oh, that one was cool. So let's just go with baseline, and for consistency, we'll click apply to all pages. And then one final finishing touch you should definitely add is music. With the pro account, you'll have access to so much of it right here in Canva. There is some really great music in here, multicultural, dramatic, cinematic, and just exciting. But since you are talking through the video, it's important to find a pretty chill track without any vocals. The best way to eliminate vocal tracks is to select this here and check instrumentals only. And from there, you could search terms like smooth, peaceful, hopeful, or dreamy. Oh, I like this one. So, instrumental version. Okay, and then once you have your track, you're going to want to lower the volume on it so it doesn't compete with your talking. And this is probably a good time to tell you that you will want to continuously preview the whole thing, sort of playing all together, and you can do that by selecting this button here. Oh, that's cute. And when everything looks good, we just hit this little arrow to download it as an MP4. And now that our video is done, there's just one more thing to create, and that is a great YouTube thumbnail for this video. Canva makes it super easy. If you just search YouTube thumbnail, all of the templates pop right up. I really like the look of this one, and I'm excited to try out this magic background remover tool that you get with the Pro feature. So I'm just going to upload a similar image. It's just going to be a screenshot I'm going to take of the video. So I'll even do it a favor and crop this in a little bit and rotate it. And let's see what the background remover does. Wow, that was pretty impressive. Oh my gosh, this looks really good. Oh my gosh, this is almost worth it just for this feature, especially if you do a lot of stuff like this.
And now you have a finished video that you can upload to YouTube that is unique, informative, and created entirely without traditional editing, and an expert-looking thumbnail to match. And as I mentioned, Canva is giving away a 1-year membership of Canva Pro to one of my viewers today. So to enter to win, simply follow my link below to get that extended free 45-day trial to Canva Pro, and you also must be subscribed to mine and Canva's YouTube channel. They're gonna give you a lot more design tips and information about Canva, by the way. And then go ahead and create something with Canva that incorporates their new video feature in some way. It doesn't have to be this full list style video uploaded to YouTube. It can be an Instagram story or a regular video post, or if you want to do one of those new reel things. If your post is on Instagram, then simply tag me, AmayTV, in it and include the hashtag AmayTV Canva contest. Or if it is a YouTube video created with Canva following these instructions, I will be so proud. And I invite you to go ahead and share that link in the comments below. And then a winner will be chosen and notified 30 days from today. What's today? Okay guys, I hope you found some value in this video and got super excited about using Canva's new video feature. I know that I'm going to continue making that holiday gift guide video in this format, and it's going to be so different and unique and exciting to me. Let me know any questions you might have about what we've talked about here today in the comments below, and I cannot wait to see what you guys create using Canva's video feature, whether it's on Instagram or here on YouTube. So I will be looking out for those. All right guys, I'm Alicia, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye!